Those in commercial real estate are getting creative when courting potential investors. Two reports tonight on the lengths some developers go to finance their real estate projects. We begin with Diana Olick in Miami.
Soaring past the tallest towers on the Miami skyline, Skyrise, which exists so far only in virtual reality, is the talk of the town. And not just this town. Investors as far away as Dubai are eager to get in on the $430 million project, hoping to buy U.S. citizenship through a federal jobs program known as EB-5.
It becomes a very shortcut approach for a potential immigration investor to get their green card. All they have to do is get their source of funds vetted by Homeland Security.
EB-5 requires each individual to invest at least $500,000 in a project that creates at least 10 full-time jobs. Skyrise has already been given EB-5 status.
This investment is not going to give a huge return for the investor in terms of any sort of huge monetary gains or margins or anything like that. The greatest return for these investors is their ability to get a green card.
Shay Zamanian and partner Priya Malik are venture capitalists specializing in EB-5 investments in Dubai.
I think the biggest risk here is that this tower, this building, this structure that they're making is dependent on tourism.
Berkowitz says he expects the tower, with its plunging amusement rides, nightclub, restaurant, and multiple observation decks, to draw 3.2 million paying visitors a year.
I think the numbers he's using, the projections, are overly optimistic, to say the least.
Architect and activist Charles Corda has sued the city over the project, which is being built on public land and which Miami-Dade County has given $9 million.
The closest you can get to it, let's say, might be the Empire State Building or the Eiffel Tower. The numbers he's using project more visitors per capita, let's say, than either of those two very iconic, world-famous structures.
Berkowitz, though, points to new development and entertainment all around this tower site and to constant cruise ship traffic coming in right next door.
The economics appear to be extremely promising.
Early groundwork at the site is just beginning, but investor demand in Dubai, according to Zamanian, is very strong. That's because regardless of tourist demand, the payoff, U.S. citizenship, is already built in. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Miami.